Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. The Honorable Miss Nikmatuni Ayah as the final project methodology lecturer and woo friends who I'm proud of. Let me introduce myself. My name is Fada Intania Pahilda from the Polytechnic Negeri Semarang, majoring in accounting. Accounting Diploma Study Program class AK3D. I will presentation my final project proposal with the title Application of the activity-based costing method as determination of the cost of room rental at in Hotel Yogyakarta in 2024. The presentation structure that I will deliver consists of the first is background, the second is problem statement, the third is purpose and benefit, the fourth is literature review, and the last is research method. The first of background, in general, the cost of product is cost that arise because of production activities. The production process of a company will issue costs that will be used to produce good or service. Traditional cost accounting system can produce distort calculation, with this the weakness in the application of the activity-based costing method as determination of the cost of room rental at Ros-In Yogyakarta. Ros-In Yogyakarta is a hotel that is used for business and family recreation. This hotel still use conventional method in determining the best price of room rental rates. Activity-based costing system, namely the calculation of the cost of product which is based on activities. Next, the second is problem statement. How much is the cost of renting room by the method of calculation of activity-based costing system at Ros-In Yogyakarta? And how much is the difference in room rental rate calculation using the activity-based costing method with the room rental rates applied by Ros-In Yogyakarta? Next, the third is purpose. To find out the cost of renting room by using a calculation method of activity-based costing system at Ros-In Yogyakarta. To find out the difference of room rental rates is calculation using the activity-based costing method and the room rental rate applied by Ros-In Yogyakarta. Benefit: this research is expected to improve accounting knowledge, especially regarding calculation of the cost of renting a room using the activity-based costing system method. This research is expected to increase insight regarding the calculation of the cost of renting a room using the activity-based costing system in the company environment. This research is expected to be a reference for the next research who take this term. 4 is literature review. Literature review consists of the first is cost of goods sold, the second is cost, third is traditional method, and the last is activity-based costing system method. Definition of cost of goods sold, Salman and Farid, is a cost that reflects the total cost of goods completed during the period. Costs that are only changed to goods complete are direct material manufacturing costs, direct labor, and overhead. Benefit of cost goods sold: determine the selling price of the product. Production cost information calculates the product profit or loss. Determination of the cost of inventory for finished product and product in process. Definition of cost, according to Salman and Farid, state that costs are cash or cash equivalent value sacrificed to obtain goods or services that are expected to provide current or future benefit for organization. Cost clarification, cost production, marketing cost, administration and general fee, and the last final cost. Definition of traditional method according to Ekasari et al. Traditional cost of production is all production cost changes to product, even production costs that are not caused by the product. Definition of activity-based costing system method according to Salman and Farid. Activity-based costing is a cost calculation system process that focuses on activities to produce product. Instead of calculation the cost of room rental rates using the activity-based costing system method. First step procedure. Pool rate is total cost of cost pool divided by activity driver capacity. Second step producer. BOP or change is pool rate time x activity use. Comparison of activity-based costing system method with traditional method. In the traditional method, usually all costs will be collected in one grouping or cost pool. While for the activity-based costing system method, all costs will be collected based on interconnected activities. And last, the research method. Definition of research method, data classification, method of collecting data, rating method, and data analysis method. Research method. According to Sugiono, the research method is a scientific way to obtain data with specific purpose and use. Type of data according to its nature, which consists of quantitative data and qualitative data. Quantitative data is a type of data that can be measured and expressed in the form of number or figure. This data is numeric and objective, so it can be analyzed using statistical method. Qualitative data is a type of data that is descriptive, narrative, and subjective. This data cannot be measured numerical, but rather in the form of word, text, image, sound, or symbols. Type of data according to the source, which consists of primary data and secondary data. Primary data is data collected directly by research from the original source for a specific research purpose. This data has never been collected or published before. Secondary data is data that has been collected by another part and is publicly available. This data has been processed and published before. There are three types of data collection method, namely interview, document, and literature review. There are two types of rating methods, namely method description and exposition method. Research method. The method used in the preparation of this final project is comparative analysis. Comparative analysis in this final project is to compare the rules in Yogyakarta room rental rates applied by rules in Yogyakarta with calculation the activity-based costing system method. This is my schedule. This is research. Submission of title for 1 week, submission of proposal for 1 week, interview for 1 week, data collection for 2 weeks, data analysis and processing for 3 weeks, rating and discussion about 5 weeks, drafting for 2 weeks, and finally writing article for 1 week. That's all from me. Thank you for your attention, Miss Nikmatuni Ayah and everyone. Good morning. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.